Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reduce noise. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Reducing noise in Adobe Premiere Pro can be done effectively using the built-in tools and some few simple steps. All right, so number one option is going to be, I want you to click the audio section right here. And then click the essential sounds. If you can't find the essential sounds, it should be right on the top corner. Go to the Windows, click the essential sound. All right, what will happen is there's going to be a dialog box here. All right, and then there's like four options: dialogue, music, SFX, and of course the ambience. I want you to click the dialog box and click the repair button, expand the menu, and you see there's an option here that says reduce noise, and of course you just have to adjust it accordingly to your preferences. All right, it's a very straightforward built-in tool. So that's one option. You can also enhance the speech from a high tone and low tone. All right, so that's one way. Now another option is going to be going to your effects control. If you can't find the effects control here, just click this button, Shift +5, number 5, and the effects, Shift +7. Right here, type in denoise. Okay, if you see that, it's part of the noise reduction tool. And if you click that and hover to drag it and drop it to your audio, you would notice that you're going to be having all of these options. All you have to do is click the custom setup, click on edit, and you can slide in to the right to reduce the noise for as long as you want. It's kind of easy, really. All right, and all you have to do is adjust it accordingly to your preferences. Right here, there's going to be like a channel map for you to adjust. You see, when you reduce the noise, you want to make sure that it doesn't sound like monotone or robotic, so you have to get the sweet spot or the feeling of it. All right, and then tweak it accordingly to your preferences and style. Now, one of the following tips that I could give you is do not overuse the noise reduction. All right, because for one, that can effectively reduce the background noise with minimal effects. Overusing the noise reduction here, all right, can cause artifacts like distortion or watery sound. Sometimes removing high or low here or low frequencies can help reduce the unwanted sound. Just use the equalizer. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.